Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now I'm gonna talk with you about a book that was really influenced me in my life. First of all, I wanted to say that the book is very eminent in our whole over the Muslim peoples because of the book is our religious book and the book name is Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is very informative for our Muslim people, and just not Muslim people, all of people are like this book because of the book is so informative. The book have some knowledge, important knowledge, like researching all of topics are available in this book. The book have science, arts, commerce, all of things are available in this Holy Quran. And the Holy Quran give us lots of important advices like how to we create a good globalization, how to we respect our family members, our parents, how to we make a beautiful life, how to we make a success content, how to we build up a good self satisfaction. All of things are available in this Holy Quran. Okay, I wanted to say that how to influence this book in my life. Okay, when I am not read the Holy Quran properly, that time I made lots of fault in my life. Like I am not interested to read namaz. I'm not interested to read the Holy Quran, and sometimes I listen unusual music, and I reading lots of unusual books, and sometimes I watches lots of movies. All of things are haram from our Muslim peoples. So that when I read the Holy Quran, that time I understood, yeah, the Holy Quran is a good destination, good definition, and the Holy Quran have all of things. And that time the Holy Quran give me some advices like the music, movies, all of things are haram, and I understood it. And then Alhamdulillah, I can try to forget it, and I can try to skip it, and I can try always to read the Holy Quran. And in this time I feel it, the Holy Quran is the best thing because of when I read the Holy Quran, that time I feel it's very relaxing. But when I feel bored, that time I go to YouTube and search Quran Tilawat, and I listened. And when I listen the Holy Quran, that time my mind's all of depressions and all of bad things are also removed. So that I think the Holy Quran is the best book in this whole over the world. That's why the Holy Quran is influenced in my life. So that I hope all bodies are understood me. Allah Hafiz.